I just installed this Guardline wireless driveway sensor system. This little guy here is the receiver that goes inside the house. It plugs in or it'll run off of battery power. So I've got 3 zones set up, 3 sensors. The first one is as I approach the front door. Right? We got dogs barking tone. So that one is up here in the eave behind you as you approach the front door. So it's tucked away where you can't see it. The second one is if I leave my garage door open when I'm going in and out and somebody decides to sneak on up and steal my tools. So they step in and check it out. Raiders of the Lost Ark starts playing. That one is up in this eave. And it's shooting right across the front of the garage door. It doesn't go off if I'm outside. I have it angled a little bit in. So really I need to just take a step right inside the garage with the door open, and that'll set it off. The third zone we got set up is right around here. This is the approach to the side yard, which we don't use. It's far away from the front door. Sometimes we get packages delivered over here. Other times you just kind of worry about a neighborhood kid and our swimming pool kind of thing. So if they were able to get this fence open, which usually is locked, somebody could step right on in here and start heading for the pool. And we got the bubbling water sound. That's this guy right here. Right? We got it mounted right to the block. It's got a little weather shield on this particular one because it's not hidden behind the eaves. And just as soon as you come through that gateway, it's going to pick you up. Watch, it'll turn a little bit red as I stick my head in front of it. Right? So it seems to just sense body heat. I haven't had anything with moving plants set it off or anything like that. So anyway, it's real easy to install. There it goes again. Real easy. So if you want to see how we did it, check it out on the blog if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.